Have you ever found yourself sifting through a long list of properties, only to be frustrated by all the empty values? If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to get properties that only have populated values. I totally get it. It can be really annoying when you run a command and get a bunch of empty properties cluttering your output. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Many users face this issue when trying to filter out unnecessary data. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, "How do I get properties that only have populated values?" They provided an example using the command getQuadUser with the include all properties flag. Sound familiar? If you're looking for a solution, let's dive in. So why is this happening? When you run commands like getQuadUser, it retrieves all properties, including those without values. This can make it hard to find the information you actually need. But don't worry, we have a way to filter this out. And stick around. I have a powerful tip at the end that will help you streamline your data retrieval process even further. To get properties that only have populated values, the user should start by retrieving all properties using the getQuadUser command. This command will include both populated and unpopulated properties. Next, the user can filter the results to show only the properties that have values. This can be done by using a simple filtering technique in PowerShell. After filtering, the user can display the populated properties. This will provide a clean list of only those properties that contain values. Finally, the user can export the results if needed. This can be done by using the export CSV command to save the populated properties to a file. Fun fact, did you know that the first computer programmers were actually women? They played a crucial role in the development of early computing. Just like them, you can master your data retrieval skills. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user involves checking if properties are true rather than just looking for null values. They demonstrate this with a PowerShell example where they create a custom object and filter its properties based on whether they have populated values. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative approach involves first retrieving the properties of the user object using the getMember command. Then, filter out properties that are not gettable. Finally, loop through the filtered properties and display only those that have values. Here's that powerful tip I promised. Always remember to use filtering techniques in your commands. This habit will save you time and make your data management much more efficient. And there you have it. Now you know how to get properties that only have populated values. Remember, using filtering techniques can make your life so much easier. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video where we dive deeper into PowerShell commands.